This video is going to show you how to install Divi. Right now we are inside of Elegant Themes, which is the company that owns Divi. Now if you are here, go ahead and click on downloads and you're going to see about 5 different plugins. The only 2 that you're going to need are, let's see, this is the Divi themes. So we're going to download this and I'm going to save it to the desktop. Okay, and then I'm going to download the Divi Builder, which is the plugin to drag and drop things into Divi. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. All right, now we're going to go into our dashboard and we're going to first install the plugin. So just click Add New. I have a habit of opening things in new tabs just because it makes it easier for me. You don't have to. All right, now we're going to click Upload Plugin and hit Browse. And make sure you hit Divi Builder. Okay, I've made this mistake before because if you upload Divi the theme, it's not going to work. So make sure when you're adding the plugin that you're clicking on Divi Builder, hit Open, and then hit Install. And then when it's finished installing, then we're going to activate it. Just click Activate right here. And it should be ready to go. There's a couple other plugins in here that I never use. You need to pay for the subscription, so I'm just gonna delete it since I'm here. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to because I like to keep my WordPress nice and clean. The fewer the plugins, the less likelihood for hacks. So avoid installing plugins whenever you can and delete them if you absolutely do not need them. You can see here that the Divi plugin has been loaded, but before we go into there, let's go ahead and install the theme. So we're going to go to Appearance, Themes, click on that. And I'm actually going to go ahead and delete these old ones because I never use them. I'm weird about having like default anything if I'm not using it. So I have never, ever in like the years that I've used WordPress, used any of the default themes, like except for the very beginning when I was first learning. Anyways, let's go ahead and upload the Divi theme. And remember, it's just Divi, not Divi Builder. So we're going to go ahead and install that. And then it's going to install, and I think you have to select it as your current theme. So I'm going to install that. Sorry, I meant activate. Click Activate, and that will be your current theme. Now I've kept the latest 2019 theme in here just in case. So I would leave the current theme. The other 2 I did delete, but I just have there just in case there's something goes wrong with Divi and I need to use a backup theme. All right, so now we can go into Divi. Go ahead and click on this, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour before we start making any changes. This is the general tab here. We're going to be going in, we're going to change our logo and some of these things in here. I'll show you what's important. The rest you can just ignore. One thing that you do want to do before you start making any changes is to go into updates. I'm going to go ahead and grab this information from Elegant Themes. Just go over to Elegant Themes, go to Account, and then click on your API key, and it's going to show you your keys right here. I have multiple accounts, and so I create multiple keys, but you're probably just going to have the one key. Just copy that. All right, then you want to enter your username, the one that you log in with Divi, not your WordPress username, your Divi username, and then go ahead and paste that API key. Click Save Changes. And that should be it for installing Divi. Now you are done installing Divi. Now in the next video, I'm going to start showing you how to customize your theme.